If you're looking to automate taps on your iPhone, here's how to use the built-in autoclicker tool through iOS accessibility settings. First, open your iPhone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, go to Touch, and then tap Assistive Touch. Make sure it's turned on. Now scroll down and select Create New Gesture. On the screen that appears, simulate the tapping pattern you want. Just tap once or repeatedly where you'd like. When you're done, tap Save and give your gesture a name, like autoclicker. Go back to the main Assistive Touch menu and choose Custom Actions. Set your gesture to one of the options, like Single Tap. When you use Assistive Touch from now on, your custom gesture will play automatically when you tap the icon. And that's it. You've now created an auto-clicker style tap using built-in iOS tools. No app downloads or jailbreak required. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more updates.